Here's a final video of our 150-ton Accudyne machine 6375, currently wired 480 volts. Go ahead and run it, Brent. Two-hand operation on the door. Goes up, hit the proc switch for slow down. You can let go of the buttons. It does have a cure timer. Got it set for a minute. Temperature is 350 degrees. There we are building tonnage. You can see the red light flashing on the dual timer. Trent, pull that door panel open. Allen Bradley processor. Cure timer times out, opens back up. We'll stop on the bottom proc. Fully adjustable on that rail. And that's a video of our 150-ton Accudyne machine 6375.